Good evening, friends. Yet another question asked by Deepak, and the question is if impulsive nature of a candidate, whether it is good or bad for the defense services. And my answer is it is really bad. Defense service officers all their life will have to work in the most unpredictable, unfamiliar situations. And any officer who is impulsive by nature will tend to take risk beyond what is required. He is likely to take impulsive decisions and is likely to take uncalculated decisions. And such decisions could lead to several deaths or putting the entire troops into wrong situation. This is true even for the Navy as well as the Air Force. What we expect a defense aspirant to be is he is cool, composed, and he thinks through the situation quickly, take a clear decision, and when it is about risky situations, he calculates the risk and he takes a calculated and purposive decision. Okay, so that is very important. So impulsive nature is just not good at all. I hope I have explained it clearly. Thank you.